Hello everyone, I'm Chuck Gordner from MoneyMan4438, and today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel much like the one I've created here for myself. I have a trailer at the top of my page based on whether you're a returning subscriber or a new subscriber. I have sections below my trailer based on importance and what I want people to see first. And this is what I'm going to help you understand how to create for yourself. First of all, you're going to need a Google account. So if you go to the Google homepage and search for create a Google account, then click on create your Google account. On this page, you're going to be able to create your Google account. First, you'll put in your first name and last name, then you'll select a username for your email address. The username you want may not be available because there are tens of thousands of people out there who may have wanted the same username. So you can have a variation to that username by placing numbers after it or putting a dot after it and giving it an additional name. An example would be, my main username is MoneyMan4438. If that name wasn't available, maybe I would put MoneyMan4438 CG for Chuck Gordner. Whatever username you should choose, make sure it's an appropriate name for your business. Then you would put in a password and confirm it and click Next. Once you have your Google account created, then you can come to the Google homepage . Go up into the little square and click on it and select YouTube. Once YouTube's loaded, go up into the upper right hand corner and click on the circular icon. Then click on My Channel. Now you're going to be able to create a channel with your name. If you need to, you can read the YouTube's terms of service and then click Create Channel. Now I'm not going to create a new channel as I already have one of my own. So let's go back to my own channel. Welcome to my channel, Chuck Gordner. This is the channel that I use for marketing my business. My business name is MoneyMan4438. Once you're on your channel, you'll have the opportunity to customize it. Simply come over and click on Customize Channel. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to do several things. First, you're going to want to click on About. You're going to give your business a description. My description is, these videos are being made for anyone who participates in online business so that they may better understand their business. Under the details, I've got my email address so that they can contact me. I'm located in the United States. You're also able to place your social media links in this section. Once you've completed this, then you can go to the Discussion tab. This is one of your most important sections to edit. You can start a discussion. Since you're new, you probably don't have any channels yet, but if you do, then you can click on the Channels tab and you can see who you subscribe to. You can either have them in a grid format or you can make them a list format. You can choose whether or not you want to get notified when one of the channels you subscribe to puts out a new video. Under the Playlist tab, you'll see all of the playlists that you've created, and you have an opportunity to create a new playlist. This is where you would create your playlists from. Remember, you'd have to click Customize Channel, click on the Playlist tab, and then you would be able to then access how to create a new playlist for yourself. Under the Videos tab, you'll be able to see all of the videos you've created. Again, you'll be able to see them in either grid or you can select list. You can choose how you want to see them viewed. The next tab is your tab. Here's where you're going to be able to choose the trailer that you want to see for returning subscribers or for new visitors. Once you've determined whether it's for returning subscribers or for new visitors, then go over and click on the pencil. Here's where you'll get to choose the trailer people will see by uploading one of your videos. Click the Edit button. Choose the video you want them to see and click Save. Now you're going to be able to give it a heading. And then click Done. The next thing you will do is add the sections that you want people to see. Now, I'm going to have to go to the bottom to get this button, but your button, since you have no sections created yet, should be right at the top. So you would simply click on Add a Section. You're going to select the content you want people to see. In my case, I choose Single Playlists. And then I want the playlist to be seen in a horizontal row. Here you'll be able to choose either from your playlist or by entering a playlist URL. We're going to find a playlist. This will select playlists that you've previously created. Then just select one of them and click Done. Now you've entered your first section and it's in a horizontal view. It's in a horizontal view. If later you decide you want to change it to a vertical view, simply click on the pencil in that section and change it to a vertical list and select Done. When it's in a vertical list, then you're able to see a brief description of each of your videos. With it in a horizontal row, all they'll see is the name of your video and who it's been created by, how long it's been since it was created, and how many views it has. As you can see, I've created multiple sections. In one section, I've added a playlist that was comprised of my playlists. So in order to do that, you'll need to click on Playlists and create a new playlist. Give it a title and click Create. Now you've created a playlist. By clicking Edit, you're able to add videos. You'll click on Earl. Now it helps to have a second YouTube channel already opened up so that you're able to see the playlist that you have. When you click on it, then you'll right click in the video icon and select Copy Link Address. Then you can come back and place that URL in here and then add it to your videos. Now you've just added one of your playlists to this playlist. You'll do the same procedure to add more. Go back to your other YouTube channel. Right click in the video icon, copy link address, go back and add that URL. Now you've got two playlists within a playlist. You'll continue to do this till you have all of the playlists in here that you want to have show in your sections screen. Go back to your channel and now you'll be able to see that you have a trailer selected for your returning subscribers to see or your new visitors. You've added a section that's most important, in my case, my MoneyMan4438 training videos. A section for all of your playlists that you want your visitors to see. And any subsequent playlist based on the order that you want them to be seen in. Your uploads section will have all of your recent video uploads. Now if I want this section to be at the top, I'm going to have to come back to the top of my page, of my channel, and click Customize Channel again. Now I'll be able to go back to this section, and this little arrow lets it jump up one section at a time. If I've gone too far, then I use the down arrow. Remember that if you want to edit it, you would highlight the section and click the pencil. Now I could change this to a vertical list if I want to. It helps to break up your page so that not everything is a horizontal row and not everything is a vertical list. That adds just a little bit of character to your channel. Once you have created all your playlists, they're going to show over here on the left-hand side in your library. If you want to edit the order in which people see your playlists, then you would click on the playlist you want to edit, click the Edit button, And here you're able to get rid of a video if you no longer want it in the playlist, or you can grab it by hovering over the left side of it. You will grab it and drag it up or down to the spot you would like it to be. You can add more videos to it. You can do a video search, you can add an URL, or you can click on your YouTube videos and select one of your videos to go in here. And anytime you've gone back to your channel, if you want to customize it, you must click on the Customize channel in the YouTube Studio. I use this to click on the videos that I've done so that I can go in and edit them. I can change the title, the description. I can add a tag or remove a tag, change the playlist that I want them to be in, or change the thumbnail that I want to use. You can see the analytics of your videos and which videos are doing the best with views. You can see the comments that were left and which videos those comments were on and whether they were liked or not. In the Other Features tab, you have a menu of the different features you're able to access. You could go to Customize Channel from here so that you're able to edit your channel page. It's important to put an icon on your page that matches the icons of all of the other different social media that you are using. You can edit this icon, go to your Google account. You can change the cover photo. Just select a photo from your computer and drag it down. This will let you know if the photo you want is the appropriate size or not. We're not going to change my cover art. It's as easy as this to establish a YouTube channel for yourself. If you want to learn in more detail how to customize your YouTube channel, then you would do as I've done in the past and search YouTube, and there are a lot of people out there who've put a great amount of effort into helping you to optimize your channel. I've given you most of the basics for creating a channel like the one that I have. Below this video, there are several ways to contact me. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we would appreciate it if you would like our video. And with all this being said, we hope to see you on the money train.